Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel and I'm so glad and so excited to restart my YouTube channel again. So I think so a big gap between you and me because a later 1 year ago I think so I stopped creating content and posting it in YouTube. From now onwards I will try my level best to upload some quality and cool content and share my knowledge with you. Right now we have some updates regarding our channel. I stopped creating videos at 1.2k subscribers. Now my channel have 3.7k subscribers and I welcome all my new subscribers and thanks a lot. And another new update is I changed my channel name. I thought that I want to create some content in English itself because many people, many related technology related videos, everything is coming under English itself. I'm a beginner of English. If you feel uncomfortable with my English or my medium of language, then please comment below, then I will try to update it. So these are some updates that have been done before creating this video. So are you waiting for what next and on what the next videos are coming upon? So I want to share that, but before that I want to ask you one thing. I need your support and I need some suggestions from you because of you I am here. I love sharing content and you people are supporting from me a long back, and I'm so happy that many people are liking videos, commenting on my YouTube channels like where are you bro, when will you get back again. I'm so glad to see those comments and I'm overwhelmed with your love and affection, and that's why I restarted it again. And surely I learned a lot in this year and I will going to create good content and good videos also, but I need some suggestions from you. I need your support from you. Maybe you people have some expectations on particular type of videos because I stopped many playlists you can see on screen. Networking playlist I stopped, ethical hacking playlist I stopped creating content, and many gadget reviews also stopped, cryptography is also stopped. So I want to fulfill those playlists. Having one video in that playlist doesn't mean a lot to me. So I want to create more content, I want to share more knowledge. I'm thought of doing some course related to a particular playlist and I'm working on that, and surely I will post some cool new videos. So please stay updated. So if you are a new user, then please do subscribe. And this time I am not interested to stick only with technical. I want to add some masala like personality development and some motivation and also some financial literacy. So I'm working on that. I'm a beginner of English also. So I'm doing the things and I love the process and I want to share what I know exactly. But I'm sure that I will give 100% quality content. There is no doubt about it, and I need your support. That's it. So I will come back again with some new updates and maybe some new technical video with a great content, and I love you all.